Salam a Batman. Salam a Batman. Salam so pussy. Salam is a dirty batty boy. Salam, anybody know the man with the Rasta boy pan TikTok where a lot of people blood clot but I never run him down. Then run him down and dash and they see him with a batty boy. Him man stop living on me hole. Him man stop living on my blood clot hole. Rasta boy come out of my blood clot hole is a nasty dirty Rasta man. Tell the people that this live on my blood clot hole. Yeah, dirty Salam is a batty boy. Tap up the scream, guys. Send some flowers for me. Send some flowers. Some give you there. I want to bury him till 3 o'clock. I want to bury him 3 o'clock. I leave him to about out of Maple and yeah. Tap up the scream, guys. Nobody can send some give you there. Prison tanks. We put up flowers. Flowers, come on, guys. Flowers, guys. Flowers. Come on, guys. Salam is a batty man. Salam is a dirty Rasta batty boy. He's a batty boy. Come on, guys. He's a batty boy. He's a batty man. Why you take it pan Derrick and Derrick not trouble you? I cannot not trouble you blood clot. I don't know go and make people trouble. People busy trouble, you know. Too much. Look going and fight with people. He's a batty man. The woman here there, the woman say fuck her now batty. Salam fuck the woman now batty. Salam man batty blood clot Rasta boy. I'm like a fashion jet Rasta boy. He suck pussy and he fuck like the woman in a rectum. Salam you can't chat to me, take out your tongue out of the woman pussy. Salam take out your hood out of the woman batty hole. Just fuck the girl and batam. Salam you suck the girl pussy. Salam take out your hood out of the woman batty hole, the nasty blood clot. Tap up the scream guy, tap up the scream, send some give him Uncle Derrick Margaret. Salam take out your hood out of the woman rectum now, you two blood clot wicked. Nasty dirty Rasta boy. Salam take your hood out of the woman. Rectum and nasty blood clot yo. Who ever come trouble me drunk or nags, done old junk dark shit, tidy boy cleaner. I want pissed on your blood clot mode. Salam is a dark shit. Salam is a dark shit. It's a slut dog. It's a bulldog no blood clot. But you fuck woman and bad time and come set up with people. Shit not plate, shit not blood clot plate. You shit not blood clot because you have your hood in the woman bottom. The nasty blood clot you. Take a load out of the woman bottom that dirty Rasta boy. Rasta boy no go like no good and blood clot. The Rasta man into corrupted. Rasta them are corrupted dog shit. Rasta them are corrupted. Hey girl, hey blood clot, I want shit in your mouth. Hey girl, I want shit in your pussy mouth. Come off for the dead dog. Drunk or cool this. Hey pussy mouth girl, come off for this cup. Suck out your mama thinking pussy, come off for this. Drunk or wash out your pussy. Wash out your pussy. Your pussy want wash out. Come off for this blood clot. Wash your pussy and if you say wash out your pussy no blood clot. Dog shit. Don't know what girl. We come here for an argument with me. Me say Salam is a batty boy. In fucking woman na bottom and suck the girl pussy. That one dirty Rasta boy. Rasta boy you can't argue with me a blood clot. Dirty Rasta boy. Dirty Rasta boy. Salam is a dog shit. You fuck the girl now rectum in the hood. You dirty nasty dirty man. You drunk you. You cool blood clot you. No hear she say no. No hear she say no. Hello?
What's up?
The dirty man in Salam.
Yeah.
You that dirty batty man in fucking woman and I rectum and I want to come argue with me. That nasty. The dirty Rasta boy me attack. I am Salam with the blood clot TikTok I take set from people. Me not trouble the boy bomber clot. Me talk about shit na plate. I'm shit na blood clot plate. I'm stuck pussy like a dog. Even if you cut in dirty frozen locks.
That's true. That's true, uncle.
Eh?
I say that's true, you talk.
But if me just get up and I fuck with, he might fuck with Maca's song. And the Maca, my blood clot name.
Him just bad mind, you, that's it. Just bad mind. But you're alright though, uncle. You're good.
Me not have blood clot. I'm not good enough. Me there. First time man, you're right, first time man, you're right,
Okay. We want some money. Or you want gift? Which one? You can't have the ear.
Yeah, man.
You can't.
No, I want to pay the people for them.
How much you owe? How much you owe? My uncle?
I 42,000 me pay yes for them. I 42,000 me pay yes for them room for the week.
A week?
That kill me want someone to live for your son.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
that take to me bad.
I know you must stress out. I know say it must stress you. Like you can't.
Stress me bad and everybody's calling on me like. Me talk to you something just come up to fuck. This shall stress me bad, this shall stress out me bad. This shall stress out me bad and the drunk and then come up on me. Yeah. Come for this blood clot. I 42,000 me pay for my bomber clot room. Drunk about all that kind of your big stinking pussy. What? Come over this drunk, come over this blood clot. Yes, so come off. Humble step, come off of this blood clot. Come off of this suck. I eat up my body whole. Come eat up my bottom. Come off of this blood clot. Come eat up my body whole. Don't fuck with me now. I have to tell a blood clot lie. Me not tell you, no blood class will come. Me not tell you, no bomber class, somebody come and say, come disrespect me, a blood clot this morning. I make a class with a blood bomber, rascal, pussy rascal, bomber clot, rascal, no. Oh. Come on for this blood clot, go suck your mother. Suck your mother, come on for this blood clot, go suck your mother. Come on for this. Nobody not come and say, come. On can't come and Jaden life and go tell him about my life and Rosalie life. I just want to come make trouble. Come on for this blood clot. Come on for this pussy clot. Come on for this bomber clot. Come on for this blood clot. Go suck your man, come clean up my hole.